Hello, young learners. Welcome to another fun podcast. Today we are learning how to make smart choices. What is better? That is the chapter. That means doing something helpful now so we don't have a bigger problem later. And guess what? At the end, there's a smart choice challenge just for you. Can you pick the best choice? Let's find out. So, first chapter is brush your teeth or go to the dentist. After a snack time, Zayn's mouth feels sticky. Mom says, Zayn, time to brush your teeth. But Zayn says, I'll skip it. Just one time won't hurt. The next day. Ouch, my tooth. Zayn has a cavity and has to visit the dentist. The dentist says, sugar box made a hole in your tooth. We need to fix it. Zayn, I wish I brushed my teeth last night. Smart choice, brush your teeth every day to keep your mouth healthy and clean. Now the second chapter is wear your jacket or get sick. It's a chilly day. The wind is blowing and the leaves are falling. Mom says, Zayn, wear your jacket so you don't catch a cold. But Zayn says, nah, I'll be fine. Outside, he shivers. By evening, he's sneezing and coughing. Mom checks his forehead. Zayn, you might be getting sick. Zayn, I should have worn my jacket. Smart choice. Wear the right clothes for the weather to stay warm and healthy. Now the third chapter. Clean up or lose a toy. Zayn's toys are all over the floor. Mom says, let's clean up before bedtime. But Zayn says, I'll clean tomorrow, Mom. The next morning, he can't find his favorite toy truck. He looks and looks. It's stuck under a pile of blocks. Zayn, if I cleaned up, I would have found it fast. Smart choice. Put things away so you don't lose what you love. Now the fourth chapter. Eating veggies or get a tummy ache. At the dinner, there are carrots, rice, and grilled chicken. Zayn says, I just want to eat candy. Mom says, healthy food helps your body grow strong. Zayn eats all candy. Later that night, my tummy hurts. Next time, I'll eat my veggies first. Now the smart choice. Eating healthy food gives you energy and keeps your tummy happy. Fun fact with Zayn. Brushing your teeth helps fight sugar bugs called plaque. Cold weather can make you sick if you don't stay warm. Cleaning up helps your brain stay focused and safe. Veggies have vitamins that helps your eyes, muscles, and brain grow. Okay, friends, it's time for the Smart Choice Challenge. Listen carefully. Can you pick the smarter choice? Question first. Eat only candy and get a tummy ache, or eat your veggies and feel strong? Yeah, of course. Eat your veggies and feel strong. Question 2. Leave your toys on the floor and trip on them, or clean them up and play safely? Yay! Clean them up and play safely. Question 3. Skip brushing and get a cavity, or brush and keep your smile bright? Yeah! Brush and keep your smile bright. so you won't go to the dentist. Question 4. Go outside in the cold with no jacket, or wear your jacket and stay warm? Yeah, wear your jacket and stay warm, so you won't get sick. If you pick the second choice each time, you're a smart thinker. Say it aloud. I'm smart. I make good choices every day. Thanks for joining Zayn Adventures. Remember, making small, smart choices now helps you stay happy, safe, and strong later. You're growing into a smart, kind, healthy kid, one good choice at a time. See you next time, young learners. Have a good day.